Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can increase maximum upload file size in Hostinger. First you need to log in your Hostinger account and here put your login credential and click login. Okay, now on the top bar here you can see website, just click on that. Click on manage. Now on the left panel here you can see lot of items and scroll down and click on advanced. Now again scroll down. Now here you can see DNS zone PHP configuration. Just click on PHP configuration and then here you can see three options: PHP version, PHP extension, PHP option. So we need to go PHP option. And now scroll down and here you can see maximum execution time. You can increase this maximum file upload, so we can increase it. Maximum input time, memory limit. So on the bottom of the page here you can see upload max file size. So click on that and you will get this option. So in my case I would like to choose this. Okay, now click save button. Okay, PHP option updated successfully. So this is how you can increase maximum upload file size in Hostinger. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button.